Some churches are trying to keep a sense of community during the pandemic, even though the county prohibits places of worship from gathering indoors. But a couple of churches say they plan to welcome people inside on a limited basis. ABC 10 News reporter Rena Nakano shows us the county is hoping those congregations are staying in compliance.
San Diego County remains on the state's COVID-19 monitoring list, meaning as of July 15th, indoor activities for houses of worship are not allowed, but some are back to opening up their doors. On Thursday, a concerned ABC 10 News viewer whose family attends Skyline Church in La Mesa sent us this email saying, quote, "My family goes to this church and they suffer from underlying conditions. They're planning to follow by example and attend church in person. I'm worried about my family getting sick." According to their website, Skyline Church now has an RSVP for on-site option, as well as a watch online option. The receptionist told me they require an RSVP to limit the number of people who can be socially distant inside of their auditorium, chapel, or gym. But when I asked for an official comment or to speak with a member at Skyline, I was transferred to a voicemail. Their website says attendees also have the option to bring lawn chairs to participate from the church courtyard or stay in the parking lot and listen to the service from their car radios. The South Bay Pentecostal Church in Chula Vista is doing something similar. The church sued the governor in May after the first round of shutdowns, but the U.S. Supreme Court later rejected their appeal to stay open. They too have a registration for on-site indoor service. Bishop Art Hodges says they limit indoor attendance to 100 people, practice rigorous hygiene, require masks and temperature checks before entry. He says, quote, "To date, no one has become infected and tested positive after having attended one of our worship services. Factories continue to operate, large offices continue to operate, airlines continue to operate, all with less safe standards and results as our protocol." The county says it is engaged with several churches to help them with compliance, saying, quote, "They're allowed to have services outside with proper social distancing and facial coverings. Some were successful in complying, others have fallen short. We continue to work with them. We have been in contact with Skyline and are hopeful they will be in compliance. That is our goal, compliance. But there are next steps, cease and desist or public health compliance orders." Rena Nakano, ABC 10 News.